So now we're out to this event. It's for African cuisine. As you know, February Black History Month. Today is February 29th, 2024. And we're gonna go taste some African food. I can't wait to eat. I hope they have some fufu. Like, I've been trying to get it for years. Mind you, on my church block there's an African store and I still haven't gone there. But I'm just afraid of not liking it. And I paid for it. I don't know if I tell y'all the instant. Yeah, I did. I always says African house. My brother's friend is African. Go ahead, tell everybody. I know for a fact, you know, everybody could cook good. Good. I'm not the best cook, right? And they had chicken. To me, I was like, you know, I know they're a different culture than me. I'm gonna be safe and take chicken and rice. I threw up. The seasoning they used was not good for me, and I threw up. I should know because I smelt it. I didn't think it didn't agree with my stomach, and I still ate it anyway. That was a dummy. It's not medicine. It's just food. My body was telling me, girl, bye. Anyway, guy, bye. So that's it. African food is African history. I mean, Black History Month. I mean, that's it. I don't know. Well, they have name tags, right? Well, I can't wait to eat the shrimp. Oh my gosh. If we weren't taken from out of Africa, this is what we'd be eating, KK. This is what I would have to probably have to learn how to eat cooked. Probably not, because I don't know how to cook anyway, but so you know. But I could cook, but just not a lot. That's not the best because I don't know. I was bad, guys. Look at this. I can't wait to drink the drinks. I had some drinks the other day from Girl Scouts. Oh my god, it was amazing. Look at this. Oh, it's cute. It's hard. My apartment is dark, but I don't know what to do now. My rent went up. They said $200. But they calculated it's $300. It's my fault though. I know how much I make, and all you gotta do is 30% because that's how nature works. I told this kid to clean up, and she hasn't been cleaning. This stuff in the hallway is gonna kill me. Like, my rent for my storage went up $65, so I need to move. But bye, guys. Let me try to edit something like real quick. This is the Sunday before my New Orleans trip. I don't feel like I usually do for trips. I don't know what's going on. I hope this memory card has space, and I need to look at it when I don't have my contacts in, because I don't tape that much on here, so I don't know how much is actually getting used. And there's a 512 or 523 gigabyte. And I just want to have enough footage for New Orleans, enough space for New Orleans. Oh my god. My eyes are just fine until I put on this damn primer. I put a primer on my eyes too. I actually use eye primer, but I use the same primer and sunscreen on my eyes. All over my face. I got time to be doing extra this, extra that. Put it right on. It hasn't bothered my eyes. So yeah. So I haven't been feeling as, I'm gonna say as happy as for this trip than other trips. But I'm gonna take, oh my gosh, my eyes. I'm gonna take back, sit back to relax and not make things bother me as much, kind of thing. It's gonna rain while we're in New Orleans. The day we get there, it's gonna thunderstorm on Friday, crazy. We're gonna be there for 4 days, Tuesday to Saturday. Technically 4.5 days, but I'm not counting the Tuesday. I'm just counting the Wednesday to Saturday, so that's why. Like, you know, girl, you was more than that, but yeah, I know. But that's what's going on with me. I'm just chilling. I can't wait to have a vacation. I can't wait to eat their food. Oh my gosh, can't wait to eat their food. I cannot wait to eat their food. Oh, sounds so good. Sounds so good. That's what's going on with me. We're about to go to church, and we're late as usual because they changed the church time. They kept it on how it's supposed to be. I would have been on time, or just right on time. But anyway, my makeup about to go leave. I should probably take my camera. We have a baby shower today at the church, so that's what's going on. I put my Vaselina. And then my Vaselina. So somebody who's a realtor, I'm thinking of getting my license too, and probably help people, a lot of people with vouchers and stuff like that. I was gonna say, he told me and showed me an apartment, the pricing of it. That's not now. Well, before I felt like people could have moved out, but now with the prices of rent in New York City, bruh, expensive as hell. It's crazy. Hey guys, hey Kens. I'm trying to work on talking slower. I watch my videos and I do talk kind of fast. I'm like, only people who know me or listen to me for a long time will actually understand what the hell I'm saying. But I'm over here in Target, as you can see. I'm over here at Target, and I'm the day before my trip. I'm buying some stuff, buying some snacks. I decided today that when I have my work trip for the CAD, or my other work trip from Washington, I am not going to bring snacks, because either I get the CAG from the Aspen. They give us literally a bag of snacks to take. Last year they literally gave us a bag that's like a travel bag, and with a bunch of, and that bag was huge. If y'all saw the unboxing of it, right? No, I don't understand this phone. When I wanted to stop a phone call, it don't stop it. I'm tapping my life away. I tapped it by accident just to adjust it to my ear, and it just went off. I have to call ambassadors. I'm trying to get Tanya's insurance changed over. She has Emblem. I'm trying to get her to Fidelis, because Emblem, you always need a damn referral, and I hate the referral part of it. It's very annoying. So, and I have Fidelis, and I should have changed it the year. I should have changed it last year. Okay. But hi, how you doing? But I'm getting some snacks. Because it's not a work trip, it's like only me going out trip. No, I don't. Okay. Because it's a going out trip, I'm gonna. Usually I do checks, but the price that's on Walmart is not cheaper. But the Chips Ahoy is $3 and change, right?
I think when you buy two, not to buy two.
That's not what it says in Target. Hold on, guys. So KK's gonna be your person. We'll edit that part out. We'll see. So, guys, I'm looking for a travel wallet. Probably not so far away. Good. That's probably good. I'm not sure. I can't even see. Looking for a travel wallet. I want something smaller. My wallet is also breaking down, so it has a hole inside. I have another wallet, but I feel like it's gonna. They have like the card starts on the outside. I think my cards are gonna fall out, and I can't afford for that to happen, especially on vacation. So this is okay. It's also a darker color. I try to do it with lighter colors because it's easier to see in your bag when you need something. This is kind of smaller, but might be doing this. One of my first nice adult wallet was Guess. Do I really like this wallet? It's a travel wallet. It don't have to be big.
Light.
It is light. It is light. This looks cuter. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking at this. This is cuter.
Let's see that one.
See? Yeah. I like the design. Yeah. I might get it because it's cute. I'm not gonna lie. Because they're all the same crap. Like, let's be honest. They're all the same crap, but I like the design of this one. So might be down for. Ooh. So I gotta check things. Is it crazy because of this? Let me see. Okay, let me see if it can close now. Okay. I thought it was, you know, when you get these things, you have to make sure they open, they close. I've done stuff before when I was like, I got home, especially at Burlington, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I'm like, this is shifty. So I bought their sneakers. Maybe I'll get this one. Same thing, but just to make sure, you know, still check. Just to make sure it's good. The zip. I like it better, honestly, more than it's flying out. That cars won't fall off the floor, on the floor. This might become a regular wallet. We'll see. This is kind of cute. Oh my gosh. KK is here filming y'all. And we're about to go on to the next thing. We're about to go look for some brassiere. Bra. Got my Starbucks water right here. Got my snack bag right here from Target all day. I got Journey. I bought a pair. Oh yeah, I had a pair of sneakers. It got a hole in the toe, so you know, if you want to get everything to move back, you know, it's be easy. She's just moving, but you know, I just see some cute stuff, like. But yeah, that's basically it. So look at the baggies. Hello, camera lady. Okay. Oh my god. But you're gonna film the whole. Guys, I'm getting my nails done. Got my little toesies done. Can you see that? Little toes. Get my nails cleaned up and fingernails colors. Toes will look this way. So. Let me see. They can see it, isn't it? Girl, what are you trying to break my camera? Anyway.
Shoulder or just
get nobody's faces, okay?
justify no down. Justify. Get the shoulder.
Anywhere cut. Anywhere where can cut, you can cut. But if it's too low, it's fine. Cause I've been shaving them down. I don't like my nails to be long. So shaving, yeah.
Square shape. Square.
Yeah. Oh, square? I usually get it round, but What do you think is better? Square or round?
It's square better.
Square?
Yeah, square around the corner.
I'll try square. Yeah. I've had square in years. Not from the whole. So we're back in Washington D.C. layover. Not for just like, you know, we're going to New Orleans. If you didn't catch on now, we're going to New Orleans. So it's light better. Right now I'm in the airport. As you see, it's been very gloomy. If you don't know, I don't like to fly, but I fly because I love to travel. So it is what it is. Right now we're in the lounge in Washington. I love Washington D.C.'s lounge. As you can see, I'm trying to really try on speaking slower. I'm kind of hot. I got my Aspen bag. I wasn't gonna bring this bag, but I ended up bringing it and folding it up, and now it's like bringing Jack under my chair bag. So this is the first time I pack this light for a trip. I feel like, unless I'm going like to Canada for like 2 nights, like it's crazy. I'm proud of myself. Right now I paid for breakfast I paid for the lounge for the whole day. It's a 24-hour. It's a 1-day pass. They open at 4:30. I could have got there for like 4:50 something. I got there like after 5, like 5:10, something like that. And they already have breakfast, but they're about to make lunch at 11. My flight leave at 12:44, so I still have like an hour and change. I still got to poop. I got things to do, so I'm gonna get some snacks, bring it over, and also go look for something to drink. Cause KK said she's thirsty, but to get something to drink. But you can't get no liquor until I think 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock over here. So anyway, you know, I'll be drinking it up. If I'm gonna pay for the whole day pass, I'm eating whole day food, okay? Lucky if I don't say get in the lounge when I get to New Orleans. I'm pretty sure they have good food over there in the airport. They should. Like, I pay for a whole day. So I'm gonna nap for the whole day pass. You feel me? Anyway, bye guys. What you saying, Katanya? What you doing with your life? It's your girl over here, no shoes in the lounge, living her best life, on her blanket. Look at her.
So today,
I'm not doing it right now. I need to go to the bathroom. I need to poop. Come back, right? Well, no, I need to see what you're gonna say, so I have to watch it over and I have to edit it. So you gotta wait, sis. You gotta wait, cause I know you. I gotta edit. I gotta listen to other stuff you edit in the nail salon.
Listen to the thing.
What thing?
The stuff outside. I'm gonna show them the stuff outside.
Make sure you put on your shoes and not walk around here with just socks on. Thanks. I'm sorry, guys. Thank you for coming in and watching KK's show. If you caught it on her channel, thank you for watching. If not, I'm sorry. You can always go watch it. Maybe I'll link it down below if you care. Well, a kid put in her bag. Literally the last thing was a book. She was done, so. The battery died. It was only a book left. Now she's...
Rolled George's mystery.
I'm done. Anyway, we're gonna look for some food. Lunch just came out. It's 11 o'clock. Our flight starts at 12:44. I still get to poop, but people are in the bathroom. I need to poop so bad. So I'm about to leave here early, probably to go to a bathroom somewhere else in the airport, so I could poop a doop, because I got to, like, it's crazy. Bye, y'all. So we're in New Orleans on our second battery at this point, and we're going to baggage claim. And so what's going on right now is that it took forever. It was lightning strike. We had to wait about 6 minutes on the tarmac until there was none. And if it was another lightning strike, they would have put out the thing that you could walk in to get into the building. That's how, I don't think they do everywhere like that, but I'm not sure. It's also for the safety of the people who work at the airport. So if there's a lightning strike nearby, not literally in the airport, but nearby in a certain vicinity, people can't, you know, basically when you're out there on the, you know, the land, it's just like, you're fair marked, but it's like, just come and strike you down. They don't want that to happen to their employees, so they make sure that it's safe for them to go outside, go underneath the plane, get our luggage, things like that. Signal a plan, you feel me? So, yeah. I cannot wait to eat their food. I am in it for the food. Cannot wait to eat the food. Food. So I can just see the infrastructure. In here, I feel like it's just like new and pristine. I feel like, I'm not saying that not new. Look at this. Look at this, is my people. I mean, not my people, but my people. Yes. It could be somebody came with my slave ship ancestors. I'm just saying, my own hometown back in Africa. It's another artwork. I don't know if I saw that as much before. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Get it. Mm-hmm. Come on, let's make up, Jordan. Bruh. Now you struggling. I'm called passing it. We in Nolens, but I don't know why the trees here look like California. But it's Nolens, baby. It's Nolens. Hey. We are here, we are there, and we are everywhere. I'm about that life. Go down the dip, baby. K doing her dance, her 2 fingers. Chop, chop to the side. Make sure he got your name, boo. They ain't kidnapping me. Oh. I'm a bit confused by this rack. Look at this. What Uber's giving us. Not him not working for a tip. Bye. So, we about to buy you. Not really, we in a hotel. We just came in. They say go to 11th floor and check in. We're in like, it's cool. I'm going to the thing. Even where am I going? I'm sorry if y'all didn't see my face properly. We're going to the 11th floor. They told me when we come in, we gotta use our card to get in. It's an interesting place. It smells good. I can say that. It smells real good. Look at my daughter bye you. This don't look what I thought it was gonna look like. Like I thought it was gonna be looking very New Orleans, really getting the vibes. But this is not about a vibe. Like I feel like real city life. That's like real city life. I don't feel like it's what I thought it was gonna be. So we'll see what happens. I'm ready for it. The art and the jazzy. You feel me? Later.